when Scarlett Johansson's voice was mimicked, when the creator of Game of Thrones and famous authors sued ChatGPT, when the Federation of Indian Publishers filed a lawsuit against ChatGPT's chatbot. And now, a lawsuit spanning 135 pages has been filed. As Indian media giants say, it's enough. 20 of the country's most prominent media organizations have officially joined news agency ANI's lawsuit against OpenAI's use of copyrighted content. The lawsuit, which ANI initially filed in the Delhi High Court, accuses OpenAI of improperly using copyrighted content by scraping and reproducing material from news websites without permission. What happens next? Let's find out. Filed in November 2024, this case is the first in India. Digital news platforms are already facing tough competition for ad revenue from Google, Meta, and e-commerce giants. The Digital News Publishers Association, aka the DNPA, has contended that OpenAI developed its large language models by unlawfully training them on colossal amounts of text, including copyrighted work, without obtaining permission or a license from the respective channels. The DNPA has argued that the practice benefits the tech company, its stakeholders, and investors, while simultaneously harming the efforts of the Indian news industry. The association also expressed concern over the threat that such practices pose to the transparency of the functioning of the press and the sustainability of the discipline. DNPA also highlighted that a lack of transparency in OpenAI's models could erode the quality and reliability of news content. It claims that this trend exposes the public to the whims of opaque algorithms, ultimately undermining the diversity of the press. While global publishers have struck licensing deals with OpenAI for training ChatGPT, Indian media companies are still waiting for their turn. The Indian publishers contend that OpenAI's reluctance to enter into such partnerships in India demonstrates a disregard for local laws and undermines the nation's media industry. DNPA further asserted that OpenAI's appropriation of news content presents an increasing threat to press transparency in India. With disinformation and deepfakes on the rise, the DNPA claims that generative AI is amplifying online misinformation, threatening the quality, reliability, and diversity of news content in India. The association also highlighted how these opaque algorithms risk exposing the public to manipulated narratives. In the past, even the New York Times has sued OpenAI and Perplexity, seeking billions in damages for the unauthorized use of its content. Similarly, News Corp, the parent company of major media outlets such as the Wall Street Journal and the New York Post, filed a lawsuit against Perplexity for allegedly infringing on copyrighted content. The impact of AI tools on news platforms extends beyond OpenAI to even Google's AI overviews, which provide direct answers to search queries. AI overviews has been criticized for factual inaccuracies, lack of transparency in sourcing content, and disincentivizing clicks to original articles. The link symbols and AI overviews results are designed to keep readers on the Google website, rather than taking readers directly to the source. The research has found that in 6 out of 10 cases, Google AI overviews are linking to pages outside the top 10 links returned in normal search results. This means AI overviews are likely to have a dramatic impact on current search rankings and so publisher traffic. Since these tech giants are basically the backbone of today's media landscape and have used journalism to add value to their empires, it's high time policymakers step in. They need to make sure news organizations get their fair share and that big corporations don't just play the game, but they play fair.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.